Hello, welcome. I'm Julie, and look what I got. This is a big old puffy envelope from my sister in Georgia. I've been saving it for a couple days because I wanted to open it with you. Now, I don't know exactly what's in it, and I'm just cutting the very edge off because I'm hoping I can reuse this envelope. But I'm going to pull it out bit by bit with you, and we'll just see. I know that my sister is a marvelous quilt maker and sewer, and she did tell me she was sending me some scraps and bits that she thinks I can use in my art. So I know that much, but that's it. So I'm just pulling this out for the first time. This is something big. This doesn't feel like a scrap. Oh, she told me about this. Look, she got it at a book. It was like a book fair or a book exchange. Christmas card coloring book. Oh, look. And it's designed to be cards. Look at this. Oh, and see, you can fold them so it's right and left, back and the front. All Victorian beauty. Oh, look. Well, I wanted to talk a little bit about what we would do with each item. This is kind of self-explanatory, but I may get back to it. Let's keep looking. That is marvelous. Okay, I'm feeling a little plastic bag, big plastic bag. Oh my, is that... Okay, so that's the envelope. I'm just going to peek inside. Yep. Good. I know I can reuse that envelope. Oh my, is your heart skipping? Look at this. Oh, Abby, I would never be able to figure out to buy something like this. I am not a sewer, never have been, tried, but look at this beautiful lace. And you know, it feels like it wants to be in a circle, but we can straighten that in so much as making it do maybe what it's not necessarily made to do. But look, and just picture, oh, look how long. Picture if this was a journal and we would just tack this all along an edge. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Can you see that? Oh, okay, well, that's got a home here. This I'm pulling out. Look at this. I recognize this fabric. It's for like a jacket that she's working on. Isn't this beautiful? And I love how it wants to fray. Now, I don't, not a sewer, but this edge feels finished, but it's cut. And this feels like maybe it was kind of the natural edge, but again, on the edge of a journal. I think this is a little heavy for a journal page, but you know, on something not quite so bright. Look, wouldn't that just be gorgeous? And if we use Fabri-Tac, it won't fray any more than we want it to fray. Oh, this is marvelous. Definitely a place to keep that. And here's some more. Look, that same edge. Yes. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. Now, here's something very colorful. It looks like Scooby-Doo to me. It is Scooby-Doo. How fun is this? Oh, and this is something different. More Scooby-Doo. How fun. And look at the words. Think about this even like at the top of a tag. You know, how cool is that? Marvelous. And this could go right along with it on a fun book tag. Beautiful. All right. You know I'm a color girl. This is just, look at this. Now, my mother made something. If it wasn't this piece of fabric, it was something quite a bit like it. This Flower Power 70s. Love it. Oh, this could be the closure of a journal. Look how pretty this could be. And you could say, well, it's going to fray. Let it fray. Look at how pretty that could be. Absolutely. I hope you can see what I see because this is lovely. I hope I'm not going too slow, but I want to drink them all in. Now look at this. Same thing. This is a nice long piece. This is how they line up the machine for the colors. And I love this. This, oh, Lauren Lee for Joann's. Oh, I bet she bought it at Joann's. She used to work at Joann's. She worked at Joann's for years. Wow. Boy, you know, working at Joann's, I think it would be a mixed blessing for me. They do have some very good art supplies. They even have Daniel Smith watercolor. Look at this. So much we can do with this. So much. Okay. Let's put this one aside. Love this. Love this. It almost looks like a shoelace, doesn't it? But again, so fun for tags and things. Or like the little tabs on a page when you turn them. Yes. What's this? It looks like denim, but no, it's got a pattern in it. I'll try not to go so fast. Maybe this is trying to focus on this. There you go. Now see, it has, see the black? It has some kind of a print, kind of batik-y. You see that? All right. And again, look how long. Look at this. This could be a couple of journal wraps. And here's another one. And look, urban legend. Anything with the word urban, I'm all about it. All right. Let's wrap this guy up quick. Let me know in the comments what you might do with some of these. Give me some ideas. Okay, taking too long. I'm sorry. Look at this. It looks like something off of the edge of a children's book, doesn't it? How perfect could this be? Oh, I just love it. I just love it. Now here's some more of that Flower Power fabric. Cafe Facet. Oh, oh look. Paperweight. Free Spirit. Yes, I love this. Now this feels like, I could be wrong, it feels like linen. Oh, I need this stuff. And here's some more Scooby-Doo. I'm going to have to make some fun cards with Scooby-Doo colors. This is just precious. This looks like for a Victorian type of journal. Yes. More words. Really cool. And the edge. I wouldn't know how to make an edge like that in a million years. Yep. Perfect. I can tell you something I'm going to need to buy. An iron. Eyelet. Nothing could be more feminine. Look. Beautiful. Now I'm thinking collage clusters or a book page, like a journal plaque in the front. Here's some more of that Flower Power. Love that. Look at these colors. Isn't this gorgeous? And this again, This could go right on the edge of a page. Just rumple it up, and how pretty. Yes. You don't have to always go the whole length of your page. I'll show you. Now, royalty. This could be really pretty. Think of this. I'm going to bring this book back. Hanging on a spine. And then you could dangle something beautiful on the end. And this could be on the spine of a book. So pretty. But again, if you have other ideas, let me know. Now this, oh, look. How pretty. I love the rich color. I'll try to see that. Oh, isn't that just gorgeous? My mind is just filled with all the things we could do with this. We've got so much, and it feels quite firm, like, well, not firm really, substantial. Like it could go on a cover and not get banged up right away. And that with this, are you kidding? Oh, magnificent. Now here is some beautiful green lace. Love the color. Absolutely love it. Here, let's bring that green book out. Look at that. Look at that. How can you go wrong? And when I have all my stitching right here on the spine, this could go, right on that spine to hide that stitching. And look at how beautiful. Oh, this, and so much, so much. Here's some bling. Oh, here comes the queen. Look at this. Maybe it would be easier to see on the white. Isn't that something? And it's very sparkly. Beautiful. That's going to be hard to use. That feels like it wants to be hoarded. Now here, Abby, when did you make all this bridal things or lingerie or, oh, they're so, and she is a very feminine woman. But wow, look. And there again, there's so much. And this book has to be 12 inches. Well, maybe not. Well, 11. I'm not dreaming too much. Just perfect. Perfect. Here's a fun little piece. Oh my, isn't this just cute? It looks like it could be the collar for a Barbie doll. But oh, how precious. How precious. Great. Look at this. Look at this. I think it's backwards. No, I think I have it the right way. Kind of a cream color, but oh, so pretty. On the edge, yes. So much can be done with this. Oh, I have to get brave and get my sewing machine out. Look at this binding. Like broken glass. Isn't this something? And look how much. Look how pretty. Wouldn't that just be a statement? I love it. I wonder if you could put two close together. See, this is where I'm just not a sewer. But see? I don't know why I would want to do that, but it's just so pretty. And it's strong. Very strong. Couple more? Well, you know what they say about black. So elegant. So elegant. I can't believe it. To buy a bag like this of scraps, what that costs? I've seen it. I've seen little sandwich bags with 4 or 5 little scraps. $4. Quick and easy. This is very blingy. This is the front. Very beautiful. There's a woman out there. Her name is Natasha, and her channel is Treasure Books. And she uses heavier fabrics and things, and she uses a lot of gold. I know that between her inspiration and your help and Abby's donations, oh, we can just go nuts. Now this looks like something Judge Judy would wear, coming out of her beautiful black robes. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? It wants to be a circle, but it can lay straight. It just makes it more wrinkly, which is just gorgeous. Here's another piece. Each one of these is big enough that I could do a whole journal with lace pages. Beautiful. Wowie. Oh, look. Look. How delicate and sweet. Oh, like someone who's having a new baby girl or a bride to have her wrist corsage. Oh, Abby, thank you. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, so pretty. Now, which way's up? This way's up. Gorgeous. Last one. Don't worry about that. We can use that in oh, look here. We can use that in a cluster. I can show you how. Perfect. This piece has right at the beginning is a few little dinks that are perfect. Oh, yep. This could go on the edge of a page. Look how much, 2 pages. And then within the same journal, use some of these pieces in collage and, then it kind of goes together. Well, look at this. Look at this. Isn't that something? If I paid my sister double just for the postage, it wouldn't come close to what you have to pay to buy quality scraps like this. Thanks for coming along. Hit like. Give me some comments on what you would do with this. And in my next video, my goal is to create something with some of this and let's just get going. See you in the next video. Bye.